I welcome each and every one of you once again, and I would like to invite our first speaker for the day, who is none other than Rajpreet Kaur, founder and CEO of Friendstastic. Rajpreet is an MBA from MDI Gurgaon, a certified FRM and a gold medalist from the Indian Institute of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Commerce. She has also completed her entrepreneurship program from Wharton. Being a computer science engineer, she aims to solve real-life challenges women face using new age technology. She is blessed with a 6-year-old daughter Bani and married to Aman Singh Deep Munyal. After a successful corporate career of over 15 years, straddling both corporate treasuries and the banking industry, Rajpreet discovered her calling as an entrepreneur and founded Friendstastic in 2020. Rajpreet has always been very passionate about women empowerment and happiness. The coming together of her rich corporate experience and this passion resulted in the launch of Say Cheese, India's first holistic women happiness platform that provides personalized solutions towards challenges faced by women in career, relationship, and health within a trusted environment. I request Ms. Rajpreet Kaur to take it over from here.
Thanks, Nabila, for the wonderful and kind words. Just checking the audio settings. Yeah. So, welcome, respected speakers, participants, experts, and team members to the annual event of Say Cheese, the first brand of Friendstastic. Let me begin with a quote from Melinda Gates. If millions more women had the same chance to invest in themselves and their ideas, they could transform the world. So let us create that chance for the million of women in themselves to invest in themselves and their ideas and transform themselves. In my career of 16 years, I have observed that women are too busy juggling between different responsibilities. They find it difficult to take out the time to focus on their learning and development. But ultimately, those who are able to break the glass ceiling are the ones who have gone that extra mile to invest in themselves, their learning, in building relationships, and have been self-driven. And I can tell you from my personal story, where while doing a full day job and taking care of my daughter and family responsibilities, I have been a constant learner. Be it studying online from Wharton and IFT while doing a full day job, to leading cross functional initiatives as a change agent for the bank, I have been constantly investing in my learning and striving for performance excellence. But is that enough? I never believed in networking earlier in my career. I always felt that my work will speak for itself. I felt sometimes that networking was not my cup of tea, and at times that I don't have the time to network. But let me tell you, your performance is a hygiene factor. It's a given. Networking and building relationships is important. It may require some of us to go outside our comfort zones, but once you do, you spread your wings and begin to fly. This event is a live testimony of the power of networking, and I'm grateful to each and every one who made this possible today. Ever since I have founded Say Cheese, I've been on a mission to let others not repeat the mistakes that I have made in my early days. Today, we have designed a power pack day for you based on the three themes which I believe are very important building blocks of a successful career. First is inspire and be inspired. We have eminent speakers from various walks of life, industry leaders and mentors, CEOs, CEOs, business heads, entrepreneurs, business owners, actors, spiritual teachers, social workers, and many more coming and sharing over 500 plus years of knowledge packed in one single day under the Inspire theme. Second is networking. The power of networking is facilitated by speed networking here in another theme, which we would like to drive throughout the day. I would strongly encourage people to engage and interact with all participants in the lounge and arena sections and make the most of the event. The third theme is that of evolve and be a constant learner. With this, I would declare the event open. Let me congratulate each one of you who have taken out the time to come on a Sunday morning at 9 a.m. to invest in themselves, and that's fabulous. I would like to now invite Dr. Tamanna Chaturvedi to deliver the inaugural keynote. Thank you. I would like to invite Dr. Tamanna Chaturvedi to deliver the inaugural address. Thank you.